Hi, my name is Chilumba Mtale. I'm from Zambia, Innovations Lead at Yaka Investments Limited. My policy idea is basically in the field that we work in, that is electronic waste. So, under environmental sustainability. So, as you know, in Zambia and many other African countries, e-waste is a growing crisis. Okay, so most of e-waste from households and other small companies usually ends up in the landfills. For example, in Zambia, though there are laws which, though e-waste is classified as hazardous waste, there are no laws to enforce the correct collection of electronic waste. So what happens is that waste management firms, quite all right, they will collect waste from households. Very few households in Zambia separate waste. They'll separate plastic waste from electronic waste and papers. But what happens is that when waste management firms collect uh, waste from households, they mix up everything and take to the landfills. That is a big problem. So that means that even if you separate waste at household level, uh, electronic waste, plastics, waste management companies will mix up everything and take to the landfills. In short, there are no systems to ensure that that separation starts from households up to the destinations. And what happens at the landfill is that that waste is burnt. And you know what happens when you're burning e-waste? There's all these fumes that come out of it. There are also toxic substances because some people go to the landfills to look for variables there so they can be exposed to toxic substances that come from electronic waste. When you're talking of toxic substances, I mean substances like mercury, lead, cadmium, very poisonous substances which are dangerous to our people. So, my proposal for a policy is a policy that enforces, that makes sure that waste management firms are enforced and mandated to separate waste. When waste is separated, recyclable waste is taken to recycling companies. Incinerated waste is taken to places where it can be properly incinerated. Then that which can be recycled. I think we need to build systems, and I think this can be done with right policies from the government of Zambia and also the SADC region and many other countries facing similar challenges. I thank you and thank you for considering my submission.